My name is Akshat, and today we'll talk about case study 3, which covers data visualization, data wrangling, or in software and data mining. Question number 1. Identify and count the number of missing values, if any, in the dataset, along with any other pre-processing steps. Also, what remedial action do you take to handle these missing values? Discuss. Identify Identification of missing values using countBlank function helps us to find how many blanks on the columns are there, as we found that each column has more missing values followed by the household size. We have used four outliers such as average, standard deviation, max, and minimum. As you can clearly see that age has 47.46 average of household size is 3.34, income is 100.26, and education is 15.08. Same as in the maximum, age is 81, household size is 7, income is 549, and education is 20. Identification of duplicate records. So in step number 1, we use remove duplicates and select all columns to remove all unwanted data. Hit OK. So you will find another panel which says 205 duplicates values found and remove. So then you hit OK again. So the unwanted data will be deleted. Extracting records. We can use filter function to get some new data. Over here we did age equals to blank. We got this data. Another one is over here we did more than 500 income from smallest to largest. So we got this data. Validating data. In this we use data validation function and we did this for education column and the data is greater than 10. So we selected circle invalid data. So in step 3, it circled some invalid data for us to interpret the data in future. Publishing the data. In the final publishing step, we make a newly wrangled data available in a location that makes it easy to access and in a format that is easy to use. We can publish our wrangled data by exporting with TXT file, CSV files, and Excel files. Question number 2. Partition the data into a test set and data for training. Train and test several candidate classification models to classify observation as undecided or not by using votes as the target or response variable. Compare and interpret the performance of this model and select a final classification model. Discuss the reasons behind this selection. We used Orange software and in select column we placed vote in the target section. Then we use some functions like tree, random forest, and KAN and connect them with the test score. So from there we got step number 2. We can clearly see that random forest has highest classification accuracy at 0.983. Question number 2. Consider a 52-year-old man who attends church, has 14 years of education, owns a home, is married, lives in a household of 4 people, and has an annual income of $155,000. Predict the voter status of this person. Undecided or decided. Interpret and discuss the important variables. Here we used orange again. According to the tree view, Answer is undecided. So in the question, it says the guy is educated, so it goes to right. Then the guy is religious, so it goes again right. Then guy has a lower than 16 education, so it goes left. Then guy has lower $17,400 income, so it again goes right, left. So it is undecided. As you can clearly see that green arrows are shown in the table. According to the prediction, answer is undecided again. We can see that tree has best classification accuracy, so we join tree to predict to see what is the answer. So as you can clearly see that in the tree section we have joined that tree to the prediction, so it can give the answer as undecided. Thank you.